looks like a strap of some sort. Yeah, now I just need to get this shit disconnected. See if these shitty screws want to come out. I hate crossheads, man. Christ. When disconnecting the battery, it will set off the alarm.
6.5 hours later.
See if she starts. I think that's the transmission drain plug. Which means that's the engine oil drain plug. Kickstand side. That'll be it. There, that one. This is where we get messy. There we go. Note to self, undo the engine oil dipstick and the transmission oil dipstick before you pull them out the bottom, otherwise air can't get through, can it? It's weeing. Hopefully I don't have to remove this linkage. Will the oil be damned? I should probably take that tool roll off. Oh God, what a mess. Get you the fuck out of there. Give a sit here. That's a long dipstick. It's not about how long it is, it's about what you do with it. Bada bing, bada boom. Note to self, if you're doing both these oils at the same time, do not start the bike until you fucking put that transmission oil back in as well as the engine oil. Christ, Mike, you nearly fucking cost yourself a fortune. In we go. Leaking, nothing. Weeping. Looks like okay. I'll give it a quick fire up. Yeah, that is pretty much bang on. Halfway up. Sweet. I'll check that after a ride and see.